Today I'm going to teach you how to use formulas in Smartsheet. Formulas are incredibly useful for automating calculations, tracking data, and making your spreadsheets work smarter rather than harder. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to smartsheet.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will bring you to your Smartsheet homepage where you'll see all your available sheets and projects. Now that you're on your homepage, you have two options. You can either create a brand new sheet from scratch or select one of your existing projects to work with. For this tutorial, we'll be using an existing sheet to demonstrate how formulas work in a real-world scenario. Simply locate the sheet you want to use and click on it to open it up. With your sheet now open, the next step is to identify exactly where you want to place your formula. Click on the specific cell where you'd like the formula to appear. This could be anywhere in your sheet, depending on what kind of calculation or data manipulation you're trying to achieve. The cell will highlight once selected, indicating you're ready to input your formula. Here's where the magic happens. Simply type an equal sign into the cell. As soon as you do this, you'll notice a text box appear on the right side of your screen. This is Smartsheet's Formula Builder, and it's designed to make creating formulas much easier. In this text box, you can type any formula you need, whether it's is_sum for adding numbers, if for conditional logic, count for counting entries, or any other function Smartsheet supports. For this demonstration, let's try using the sum formula. Type is_sum into the Formula Builder box. The sum function is one of the most commonly used formulas because it allows you to quickly add up a range of numbers without having to calculate them manually. This is particularly helpful when you're dealing with budgets, expenses, or any numerical data that needs totaling. Once you've entered your formula and configured it to reference the cells you want to include in your calculation, the final step is to click the Apply button. This confirms your formula and executes it within the cell. You'll immediately see the result of your calculation appear in the selected cell, and it will automatically update if any of the reference cells change in the future. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added a formula to your Smartsheet, which can now handle calculations automatically and save you valuable time. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.